think that nicotine replacement is really important. If you try and quit smoking without nicotine replacement, you're going to feel the physiological effects. I think trying to tackle the physiological effects of not using something and the behavioral effects at the same time could overwhelm you. So I think if you get in a way where you can actually manage the physiological and all you have to do is focus on the behavior and have a plan. Okay, so this is how I smoke and this is when I smoke. And then plan in advance on how you're going to do that. And again, what we talked about rewarding yourself. So we say, plan how much you spend on cigarettes. This is how much I spend on cigarettes. So every day that you don't smoke, set up an account and put that money in. Not long-term rewards. Let's do short incremental rewards to build momentum. Low-hanging fruit. So you go a week without 3 days without cigarettes. That's 3 packs of cigarettes. You go, and what are you going to buy with that? And then you make them, they go and buy that thing they said they're going to buy. And it's small, but it's still like, this is something I wouldn't have the money to buy. A lot of the people we work with are low income. So $30 is significant. You go to the movies, give yourself something like an experience or a new nail polish. Or for a guy, you get to buy that baseball card or, something for your car or something, whatever it is that motivates you. You get a ticket to a game. And then you go and you say at the end of a week, you're going to treat yourself to this. What you're doing is you're setting up a pattern of people rewarding themselves. And then they like the rewards that are coming from the savings from cigarettes a lot more than the reward they were getting from the cigarettes. And so the cigarette stops being rewarding when they have it. It starts standing in the way of all the things that they've set up for themselves that they want to get as rewards for not having the cigarettes, right? You have to fight reward with reward.
If you or a loved one are looking for help with substance abuse, call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-615-1067. A caring addiction advisor is awaiting your call.